Hey friends, so welcome back to Challenge Accepted. Now I am going to be doing this layout as a combo for Challenge Accepted. Baby got scraps because that's what Challenge Accepted is working with all month. The hop where you basically have one full-size background sheet of paper and you use scraps and you create your layout. So people have done kits. People are just running with it like I am. Like, what do I have that I have some scraps I want to use up? So people are doing it in all different ways, but that's how I'm doing it. Now, this is also part of my kit review series I'm doing for 2021. And this is a ScrapRoom kit, and it's called one of the Flavors of the Month kits. And this is Cartabella Winter Market. So the kits that they had were Winter Market, Echo Park Coffee and Friends. I have a layout for that. How many do we have left? Oh gosh, we only have one left for Challenge Accepted too. I've got to do this one layout to do with coffee. We have Photo Play Love Letters, and then Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Ancestry. But I'm going to use this one because this is a kit I have cut into so far, and I have scraps for it. So let's see. Oh, and what I want to do is bring in one of the ScrapRoom challenges, and this is the Jumpstart Sketch Challenge for the month. And it's pretty darn cool. So we have a background, great. A cluster bit there, some pieces coming down this way, and a big old banner. Oh, and we have a circle element, so that's cool. So let's see. I want to be able to do this so we can see this while I scrap. Oh, good. We have plenty of room. But maybe I can come in just a bit more. Okay, awesome. And so let's see. I want this to be here, so we can sneak that to right about there, and that will work. Now, what I have to do, oh, let me show you the photo. This is a photo, not a great photo quality photo. I don't care about that. This is a good moment that was sent to me. All right, this is the Nick. This is my oldest daughter's boyfriend. And look what he did. He painted a paint by number of one of his favorite pictures of it, actually his favorite picture of a trip they went on to Colorado. So how cute is that? So this is working for me, A, because he is a plaid wearing fella, but it's actually a picture within a picture of Colorado up in the mountains. We have snow and pine trees and the whole thing. Ta-da! So awesome. So what I need to know is what paper I should use for this. Now I'm feeling this one because we have so many of the pine trees. I need a strip I can bring down this way easily, which I could do this one, but I also need a strip I can go across this way with, and that could be my banner strip, right? Now to come down this one, I could use this really great piece here. I can use that. Do I need to use any of these? No. So I can use a couple of these pieces here for this and the circle bit. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Now we've got a lot going on. That does not bother me. I'm going to go ahead and take out my cardstock for now. I'm probably going to map my photo with some cardstock as well. And for my title-y bits, let's see, what do I have? I have this chipboard piece. Do any of them work? I don't know. Let's Stay In doesn't work. I like the snow. I've done snow. So my son called, so I went ahead and got all my base pieces on here. This right here I had just punched out with a punch. No big deal. I felt like I needed to bring another bit of that really nice deep navy on there, so that's where we went with that. And due to the fact that this is a gift, I'm using this Just For You little sentiment, which I thought would be pretty on target. Let's go ahead and get some adhesive on this chipboard piece. I haven't used this adhesive in months, so I'm having to squeeze out whatever the dried bit is that's stuck in there. So I have this nice little snowflake there. That's cute. Let's see. Did I attach this? Okay, I did. Now let me get this really big snowflake down. Now out of my chipboard, out of my chipboard sheet, I did go ahead and grabbed, where is my cap? A bunch of these itty bitty little chipboard bits here. So I will go ahead and get them on in a moment. Now I don't know if I'm happy with my titles that I have here. I might just use this. I think that would be great to keep with just what's going on in the kit. Now let me go ahead and bring this back over here. Like I said, my son FaceTimed me, so I just started working on this, and that's okay. this little piece right here reads "Stay Cozy," so I think that is cute. Let's kind of sneak that in right there. That's fun. So I, in essence, have all these little circly bits. Now for the rest of my die cuts, let's see what I got. Because you don't get like the full pack, so you get bits. So Let's Stand does not work. Thank You Snow Much. Ooh, guys, you know what? This might work. You know what? I feel like there's like too many title-y bits. So I think my title will be Walking in a Winter Wonderland, and that is fine. Now, I have that. So I'm going to put back this alpha that I was going to use because trying to keep like with what's what in my kit. Now what I want to do, so, you know, as you can see, I follow the sketch. Sketch is good. We're done there. So I'm going to put that aside. I think I pulled out all the bits that I like from here. I mean, I do love that little tiny penguin. He's so cute. Fun in the snow. Snow days are the best days. Winter, I mean, winter does technically work since they were there in the winter. So let me go ahead and pop that on. Yeah, some of these little bits keep coming out. I like to give them just a little trim if I can. I mean, I'm not like, you know, terribly worried about it, but if I can. Then what I will do is I think I'll go ahead and sprinkle around these little circly snowflakes here and there. Yeah, I think I like that to make this cluster nice and big. So I kind of have two clusters, and that's fine. So then let's see. We don't need a lot of the navy over here, but we can kind of start sprinkling bits here and there around to make these into really interesting little clusters. Okay, that would be cute. Let's bring in some of these smaller ones going up, really cute there. And then let's make sure to have some coming down below as well. Trying to keep it all, oh no, I dropped a snowflake. Seriously guys, I think I have butterfingers. Okay, I have that. And maybe one on this side. And then I have two more, so I just want to use them. So that has 4. Let's use that one going up. So it's kind of looks like they're bubbling going up a little bit. This I have 3, that I have 3, so I'm going to put one down here. So let's glue all of them on. Then I just have to put on my enamel dots and I will show you my finished one. One moment, please. All right, so this one's super simple, but I did get to use lots of scraps and got another layout out of this little flavor of the month kit. So gorgeous collection. I've been using it a lot. I have the sticker sheet from another kit club. So it's very cool and fun and beautiful and bumpy and all of those wonderful things. So my title for this one will be Walking in a Winter Wonderland. That's how that kind of worked out. But I do like it. I ended up using all the enamel dots that came with this kit. And so far, I've used this much chipboard, but I still have a whole bunch left. So it's one of those things that really wouldn't mind having more of the papers from this collection. But I mean, seriously, you could use navy or a plain aqua and bring it in and it would be cute because I have so many of the bits left over. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will have the links for Scrappy Kathy's channel for Challenge Accepted. And yeah, if you have questions, I get back to you guys usually the next day or so when I'm sitting around having a cup of coffee. So that's it. I hope you like what Nick came up with. I thought it was very sweet. It took him forever to do. And it was kind of funny listening to him go through the process because he's never done anything like that before. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye, friends.